신호 시작 Showtime Showtime 신호 시작 춤춰
Laundry service, good morning. Good morning, and I'm not calling from the station. Do you have laundry for today? Excuse me. Excuse me, Miss Siti, where you put your laundry on? On the bed? Alright. Excuse me. Do you have any laundry? Yes, on this table. Alright. Excuse me. This is your laundry. May I check your laundry first? Yes, please. For your laundry, you have one handkerchief in good condition. One t-shirt in good condition. And one shirt with good condition. Is that Miss Siti? Yes, that's right. Excuse me. In a moment, please. Thank you for your waiting. For laundry service, do you want extra service or regular service? For extra service, your laundry will be finished at 3 hours with additional charge 100% from normal charge. And regular service, your laundry will be finished at 10 hours with normal charge. Which one do you like? I want regular service. Alright. Do you have special instruction? Nothing. Alright. May I repeat your laundry order? Yes, please. On behalf of Miss Siti, the date is 25 February 2020. The room number is 201. You don't have special instruction. Shirt to be folding. For laundry service is regular service. For laundry item, there are one handkerchief, one t-shirt, and one shirt, and all with good condition. Is that right, Miss Siti? Yes, that's right. May I have your sign, please? Yes, excuse me. Excuse me, Miss Siti. Sign here, please. Thank you. Do you have anything else? Nothing. Alright, Miss Siti, for any information and question, please dial extension 5 and your laundry will be finished at 10 hours. Thank you, Miss Siti, and have a nice day. Good morning. Good morning.
That is better in every day, but then I feel it that you be.
Tancapkan kabel setrika pada stop kontak, kemudian tekan tombol stop kontak. Setelah itu, atur suhu setrika sesuai standar.
It doesn't have to be so sure. The sweetest love can be so hard to find.
Setrika pada bagian kerah terlebih dahulu. Saat menyetrika, harus searah, jangan bolak-balik, karena akan merusak serat pada baju. Kemudian setrika pada bagian lengan. Setelah itu, setrika pada bagian bodi kemeja, bagian depan.
Sometimes you feel off, but sometimes you feeling right. Is it to be or it is not
Setrika
to
pada
be?
bagian dalam kemeja.
To fall in love again, to be the one for me. Sometimes you
Kancinglah
fall,
kemeja pada kancing awal, tengah, dan akhir untuk memudahkan tamu dalam memakai kemeja. Jangan semua
every
dikancing,
way.
nanti menyulitkan tamu.
Then I remember the story when last September.
kemeja dengan rapi. Pada sisi kanan dan kiri harus seimbang.
so good. It's like a perfect cake that my grandma's made. I'm bad off, but sometimes you feeling right. Is it to be or it is not to be? To fall in love again, to be the one for me. Sometimes you fall, but every time we'll be together, we'll be mad
Taruh kemeja di bagian
every
bawah,
way.
kemudian kaos,
I
lalu
remember
sapu tangan.
the story when
Karena
last
kaos lebih sering
September.
digunakan ketimbang kemeja.
Sometimes recalling things will be so good. It's like a perfect cake that my grandma's made.
두고 싶어. I don't wanna be alone anymore. 똑똑 누구 없어. 누구 없어. 대답해줘. 누구 없어. I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. 대체님은 어디에. I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. I don't care now shit.
거기 누구 없어. 이 주인 없는 그리움을 어쩌냐 말이요. 혼자인 밤은 여전히 잠들기.
Service, good afternoon. Good afternoon, I'm Amaka from Backsound. I want to deliver laundry. May I come in your room, please? Excuse me. Excuse me, Siti. This is your laundry. I will put your laundry on the bed. There is me. I'm sorry, Miss Siti. How about the payment? By cash or by room charge? By cash. Alright, Miss Siti. In a moment, please. Thank you for your waiting. For your laundry service, totally price is 18,000 rupiah. May I have your sign, please? Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sign here, please. Thank you. This is for you. I'm sorry, Miss Siti. May I have your payment, please? Sure. This is my money. Excuse me. I will account your money first. Your money is right. Thank you. Do you have anything else? Nothing. Alright, Miss Siti. For any information and question, please dial *5. Thank you and have a nice day. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Terima kasih sudah menonton. Jangan lupa like dan